the expansion 2x minus 1 over x all raised to the power of 8. Okay, so now if you are to do this, what is going to happen? Now the formula for calculating, all right, the term of x, okay, they said the term independent of x. Please take note of that. So anytime you hear independent, they said find the term independent of x in the expansion 2x minus 1 over x raised to power 8. So anytime you hear independent, the value of what your expression is going to be, what x raised to power what 0. So if that is the case, now what the formula for calculating for terms, the formula is n combination r x raised to power n minus r and what y raised to power what r. That is number for the that is formula for the number of terms. So but because the term is independent, I told us that we are going to equate it to x what raised to power 0. So that is n combination r x raised to power what n minus r y raised to power r is equal to what x power what 0. So what is the value of n? N is the what is the power here, which is 8. That is now what 8 combination what r. Of course the value of r is not known yet. Now what is x? X is the first value here, and what is y? Y is the what second value here. That implies that what that implies that the value of x is equal to what 2x, while the value of y is equal to what minus what 1 over x. So we can just say 8 combination r, all right, into what our x now, which is now what 2x, all right, 2x raised to power n minus r. What is n minus r? N minus r is what is 8 minus r. What is y? Y is 1 over x bar. That is now what 1 over x, all right, all raised to the power of what of r. Everything is equal to what x power 0. So now once this is x, we can also write as what 8 combination r x raised to power what 8 minus r. This will now become what x raised to power minus r is equal to what x raised to power what 0. Now if this is the case now, so you have what indices here. So you have product of two values here, this value of x and this value of what x is what the value of y is what is 1 over x bar, but you're having 1 over x, right, 1 over x. So in indices that becomes what x raised to power minus r. So if this is the case now what is minus r in indices? That is now what x raised to power what 8 minus what 2r minus r. Okay, let me do it well. X raised to power 8 minus r is equal to x raised to power 0. X raised to power minus 2r is equal to what x, that is 8 minus 2r is equal to x raised to power 0. S is going to cancel the value of x. Then you have what 8 minus 2r is equal to what 0. Then you have 8 is equal to 2r. So you divide both sides by what 8 by 2 and by 2 rather. So this cancel. What is left? That is what 4 is equal to what r, or r is equal to what 4. So now that you have gotten the value of r, all right, you are going to recall that equation that I gave earlier. What's the equation? The equation is what n combination r into what x raised to power n minus r y raised to power r. That is going to give us what is n? N is now what 8 combination what value of r 4 x raised to power n minus r. What is x? X is now what 2x raised to power what n minus r is now what 8 minus what value of r 4. Then what is value of y? Y is now what 1 over what x, then all raised to the power of what all raised to the power of 4. So if you resolve that, all right, what is going to, so now 8 combination 4 is what is 70. Now you have what, now what is 8 minus 4? 8 minus 4 will give you what? Will give you 2x all raised to the power of what? Of 4. Then what is the next thing? So this minus 1 over x. That is what? Minus 1 over x all raised to the power of what? Of 4. Okay. So that is now what? That is now going to give us 70. Now what is 2 raised to the power 4? 2 raised to the power 4 is going to give us what? 16 x raised to the power 4 multiplied by, okay, minus 1 over, what is x? This what? X power 4. X power 4 will cancel what? X power 4. What is 70 multiplied by 16 times minus 1? All right, 70 times 16 is going to give us what? A value of 1 what? That is minus what? 1 what? 20. Okay, so but now in this same question now, all right, so this minus 1 raised power 4, so there's no minus here, because when you say minus 1 over what? X power 4, all right, then by the time you do the minus 1 over x times, so 1 is square, then the other one is going to take the minus away, so that is 1 or 20. So but what I'm going to is this: what of if you're asked to expand 2x minus what 1 over x all raised to the power of what? Of 4? If this were to have been the what the question and the term is independent, what will you do? All right, you now do what? N combination R. What next thing? N combination R, x raised to power n minus R and y raised to power what? R is equal to what? X raised to power what? 0. So let's assume that it was 6. So what's n combination R? 4 combination R. What is x? X is now what? Is now, okay, let's say 2x, of course. All right, so we have x, then all raised to the power of n minus R. Okay, what is n minus R? N minus R is what? Is 4 minus R, then y raised to power, that is what? X raised to power what? Minus what? Minus R. Okay, is equal to what? X raised to the power of 0. That is what will have happened because 1 over x here, all right? You're having your y is minus 1 over x. Okay, so now when you have in indices 1 over x is equivalent to what? X power minus 1. So because of the R that is in this place, so times R, that is x power minus R. So what will happen? That is what? X power what? 4. Okay, what is minus R? That is 4 minus R minus what? 4 minus R minus R is equal to x power 0. Then x raised to power 4 minus 2R is equal to what? X power 0. X cancel x. It's just the same thing. I'm just using a different value. Minus 2R is equal to 0, or 4 is equal to what? 2R. Then that is 4 over 2 is equal to what? R, or R is equal to what? R is equal to 2. Okay, that's what will have happened. So they will now recall your formula. What the formula? N combination R, x raised to power n minus R, y raised to the power of R. What is n? 4 combination 2. What is x? X is now what? The value of what? Of 2x raised to power. What is n minus R? 4 minus 2. Then y raised to the power of what? What is R? R is 2. What is 4 combination 2? 4 combination 2 is supposed to be 24. All right. 4 combination 2. Okay, 6. 4 combination 2 is 6. Sorry for that. Then now this now what? 2x raised to power what? What is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. Then what is value of y? Y is now what? Minus what? 1 over x all raised to the power of 2. Then now if you go on, you now have what? 6 multiplied by, now what is 2 square? That is what? 4 bar 4s square multiplied by minus 1 over x times minus 1 over x. That is now what? 1 over what? S square. S square cancel what? S square. 6 times 4 times 1, that is what? 24. Are you getting that? So if you expand the independent term of what? Of this, of 2x minus 1 over x raised to power 8 is going to give you what? 1120. But if you expand the what? The independent term of what? 2x minus 1 over x all raised to the power 4 is going to give you what? 24. So that is how to go about that.